Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to assign your side key button to open an app. So instead of just waking up Bixby or powering off your phone, so the side key can be customized to launch your favorite app like Camera, Notes, or Spotify, or even TikTok. So currently, when you press the side button, this basically opens up your power menu. If you tap on side button settings and you press on long press, so these are the only three things you can do with the side button. So when you long press it, your digital assistant can open up. You can open up Bixby, or you can open up the power off menu. So let me show you how you can assign the side key button to open an app or do something else. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the GoodLock app. In the GoodLock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find Registar. Now you're going to go ahead and find side key, press and hold action. Tap on this, turn this feature on, and here you can go ahead and choose from all of these available actions for your side key. So you can take and share screenshot, access your voice assistant, turn on or off, turn on and off flashlight, auto rotate, live captions, mute and unmute all volumes, show notifications, show recent apps, back button, or you can go ahead and open an app. So here we'll go ahead and open an app. So let's just say, for example, we want to go ahead and open up Spotify. So we'll go ahead and tap on open app. Now we press home. Now when you go ahead and long press on your side button, this will open up Spotify. So it's like having a shortcut button built into your phone. So it's perfect for quick access to apps you use the most, especially in fast situations like snapping a picture or maybe listening to music. So there you go, guys. That is how to assign a side key button to open an app on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.